What's going on, everyone? Mr. Blue Star 96 here, and welcome back to another video where today we're talking about my Bird-like Bakugan, starting with this one here, which is Chaos Ravenoid. Only has two manual parts to open, which are the feet, like that. Then this wing does get a little bit stuck, but the Chaos logo has sort of been peeled off. That's 350 Gs, one of the weakest Bakugan I own. The designs on the top here and on the wings have gone as well. One of the oldest Bakugan I've had. Nice blue head with the red underneath, green eyes. So yeah, that's basically Chaos Ravenoid. Next up is also another Chaos Bakugan, Chaos Flash Ingram. You can see the Chaos logo there. He does have a port here for a Baku Nano. Manual parts on him are the feet, and then this bit once he's opened up. He does spin, and he has if it will focus, 750 Gs. Yeah, it says 750 Gs there, you can just see it there. And then that's what he looks like fully open. He does have two extra eyes, so one there and one there. That's what he looks like fully open. But in the show you mostly see him like that. To close him up, it's just like that. Push those two in, and push the feet up, and then he's closed. And now for the final Bird-like Bakugan I have. It's one of the strongest Bakugan I own, or probably the strongest Bakugan I own. Aquos Skytrus. So there's the Aquos logo. He does have a few manual parts on him, but he also does, oh, there you go, he jumps because he's a Baku Sky Raider. The wing tips there, these bits move down like that. These two side bits go up. Has port there to combine, which can be used for a Baku Nano or to combine with another Bakugan. And he has a peg there, which you can use to combine to another Bakugan. 920 Gs there, which is pretty good. To close him up, it's it's a bit difficult at first, so push the wing pieces up, push this peg in, push these bits down, push that down, clip it in, the head, push down, clip it in, grab the feet like that, push that arm in, and like that, and then he's closed. But he can be quite difficult to close, just because like these bits, or the legs are on, or the feet are on springs. But yeah, that's going to be it for this episode of Bakugan Talk. Talking about the three Bird-like Bakugan I have. So Chaos Ravenoid, Chaos Flash Ingram, and Aquas Skytrus. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, leave a like. If you haven't, let me know in the comment section down below what I can improve on. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications. I will be posting on a regular basis. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.